Hello everybody, in today's video I will show you how to rename your columns on your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. There is three ways to do this operation. All you have is to open your spreadsheet and follow these simple steps. The easiest way and the simplest way to rename a column is by selecting the column, and as you can see here in the name box, all you have to do is remove the older name and just name it as you want. For example, I have this column in this data range. I have it or it refers for ID, so I will just name it ID. And as you can see, whenever I will select the column, it will show as name ID. For example, let's just click ID. As you can see in the formula, it will select the whole column because it names now is ID, even if it doesn't show in the A or in the column itself, but it has a different name as you can see here. Or you can uh, just use wait, you can just use a shortcut by clicking on the column and then click on Control plus G, and as you can see it will take you directly to these the name box. Or there is another method is selecting, of course as usual, selecting the column, then go for data, and here we will find an option called named ranges. As you can see, our range here is this sheet A. It is already named. It is the same one. It is the same range. Also, I will just name it ID. I will click on done. As you can see, it is already. Let's just remove this one. Remove it so I can show you the range. This is our range. So I will name it ID. I will click done, and as you can see, here is the ID. Or we can just click uh, click on our column. For example, let's go for C this time, and just quit this one and right click on it, and here we'll find view more column options, and we will find the define named range, and of course it will take us to the same uh, pop-up page or pop-up window of the named range. Here in this C, I have it is a column about quantities, so I will just call it quantity, and of course the range it is already selected because I already selected my column. Then I will just click OK, and if I go to the name box, I will find its name quantity, and of course all my columns are renamed now. So this is how you rename your column on your Google Sheet. Thank you for watching and goodbye.